People say you can't change your career at 30. That's when you're meant to be settling down, you know. You can't start a business at the age of 35. You should have figured it out by then. Oh my god, you're not married at 38? What the hell are you doing with your life? Who comes up with this stuff? I have no idea. But this thing disturbs so many people that I speak to. So many people open up to me and say, I just don't know how to change. Is it even possible? And this is the reason of anxiety and depression and stress among so many people around the world, always trying to meet other people's expectations. What do you think this guy was before he became who he is? Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon. He was flipping burgers at McDonald's at the age of 24. How about her, J.K. Rowling? She was broke at the age of 23, had no money and no idea about her career, and became one of the best novelists this world has ever seen. What about him, Boman Irani? We all know him for his fantastic acting skills. He used to work in his shop and also worked as a waiter at the Taj Mahal Palace and made his debut in Bollywood at the age of 41. Guys, age is just a number. You know, it's incredible what happens in societies is that we are clouded by the noise of family expectations, the noise of our parents, the noise of our brothers and sisters' expectations, our friends, relatives, etc. And in most of the Indian families, you could either be a doctor, a lawyer, or a failure. Right, those are your three options. Anything else would just count you as a failure. So many of the times, our expectations are driving us, and we focus so much on life in what we want to be as opposed to who we want to be. Because we've always been told that life and jobs and careers are like boxes and containers, There's only a finite number of options available. There is no formula, there is no pattern, and you have to follow the rules and become an employee for life. Do you know what you're passionate about? Because if you know what you're good at, then invest in it. People say follow your passions. I say forget that. Invest in your passion. If you're passionate about something, go and become the best at it. Get into a course and learn from the best. Go and find a mentor who's gonna make you incredible at that trait. Not only you will be criticized and grow, you'll be able to find new things about yourself that you never knew. Don't let the society's noise digress you from your dreams and goals. People will say, oh, you've turned 30, you should have bought a house by now. Oh, you're getting married, buy a car. And then what? Spend the rest of your life paying EMIs and credit card bills? Don't listen to any one of them. Rather, invest that money in yourself and in your business. Let me tell you guys straight from the heart. Getting your first degree after 21 is still an achievement. Being married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 is still possible. Buying a house after 40 is still a boss move. Don't let people rush you with their timelines, because when things go wrong, it'll only be you who will have to face the consequences. Invest in yourself. Build assets instead of liabilities. Invest in your passion and invest in your dreams. Don't try to become a person who you think the world needs, because the world needs you to be you, and I really mean it. So until next time, this is Sakar Verma, and if you like the video, do hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update when the new video comes out. Take care, guys.